So we had the mayor and the city council basically pass the new project, which is more marketing and more small businesses and startups on the street. Hey. Yeah, kind of reminds me of Bias, the street market. Beans and Bites coffee. Loaded potato. French fries, right?
Yep. Yeah.
Okay. The Japanese takoyaki takeover of the Philippines. More takoyaki. All right, what do we got here? Thirst quencher. What is it? Like a tea or coffee?
Yeah, we actually have teas and then we also have some Italian refreshers.
Oh.
This one is a soda pop.
Okay, yeah, I'm not buying, I'm just marketing.
Ah, okay.
Yeah, I'm trying to help.
Okay, okay.
Okay, cool, thanks.
You're welcome.
Wow, it smells good over here. Silva's. Hey. Silva's show my. Yes. I bet it is. Hey, man.
Hey, man.
Oh, that's why I smell it. Manok, chicken?
Chicken skin.
Chicken skin, yeah, of course. Wow. Chicken skin. Squash. Yeah, bell peppers, onions, garlics. Woohoo. And there's like an eatery over here. Oh yeah. Wow. Talk about a lot of cabbage. What do we got? Chicken. I don't know what is that. Jolly Mars. Yeah, chicken skins, skewers. Hey, manok. What's that?
Calamari.
Oh, calamari. Okay, thanks. Kind of more the same. Oh my God, doggy. Wild dog. More shomai. Show me your shomai. Yeah. Shawarma. That's funny, we got Japanese over there, we got Turkey, Middle East stuff here. We need some good American Burger King, that's what we need. Burger King and McDonald's. Burger King and McDonald's. Sorry. Alright. Yummy. Woo!
Yes, this is yours. Wait. Yes, sir. What's yours?
Just marketing.
Okay, sir.
Yeah, trying to help the city, as always. More shomai. Man, that's about the fourth shomai station. Show me your shomai. Yeah, really common. Yeah, boku. Well, okay. More shomai. Pepper poppers. Yeah. See, pepper poppers. Yeah, those are good. Hey, they're good. Eh? Excuse. There you go. Hello, evening. Mammy. Nobody here. Nobody here. Yeah. Woo. Hey, man. Huh?
Good evening.
Good evening. You from Tan High?
Yes.
Yeah, can I put you on video? Man, you're a giant, man. How tall are you? 6 foot?
Maybe 5'10".
Oh, 5'10". Oh. Ah, he's a big man, I'll tell you. Okay, thanks, man. That's a big man right there. What else we got? Potatoes, carrots, onions, cucumbers, onions, garlic, green peppers, red peppers, bitter melon, okra. I think it basically comes to an end here. Hey.
Hi sir, good evening.
Hello, good evening.
Lemonade, then pastillas.
Oh yeah, I'm just...
Right, pastillas.
No, I'm okay. I'm just trying to help the city.
Okay.
Yeah, marketing.
Thank you.
Yeah, it's a really good idea, man. Really good idea. So I guess it's gonna be like this Friday, Saturday. Oy. Fridays, Saturdays in Tan High. Woohoo!
Oh, basta naman meron akong buka.
Pants it.
Hello.
That's kind of like a adobo. Yeah, chop suey.
Chop choy.
Sugar banana. Deep fried banana with brown sugar on it. Yeah, manok. Yeah, looks good, eh?
Yeah.
Hey. Yeah, the new thing every Friday, Saturday. Hello, ladies. Sir. Yeah, really good idea. Woo. Watch out for traffic. All right, money, peanuts. Hello. What's that called?
Keeping.
Huh?
Keeping.
Keeping.
Yeah.
Okay. Keeping.
Hey, what's the name of
Hey, man. Tan High City Rocks.
Hi, good evening.
Hello.
Hello.
Roasted peanuts. Yeah, Tan High City Rocks. Melon, squash.
What's the name of your page?
Rock. Rock.
Tan High City Rocks.
Rock, yeah.
On YouTube.
I'm your followers.
3 words. Tan High City Rocks.
I'm your followers.
Yeah, you're gonna be on it. You're gonna be on it tonight. Hello. Oh, getting to the end. Sorry, just make. Excuse, sir. Money. Hey.
John, my name is Manny. So
Yeah, I know you.
you can buy money also.
Yeah, that's Manny. Yeah. Well, I'm making a video for the city right now.
Okay, John.
Yeah, I always want to help. Okay, so I'm gonna end. That's part 1. I'm gonna start part 2 because there's nothing here. But as this grows, there's gonna be a lot here. There's a big party tonight. Labor Day party starts at 8 o'clock in Resale Park. and I'll be there. So that's part one of my night walk. Cheers.